how to remove drive shaft bearing here, the outer side. So unclip this one and this one as well, then just cut the boot, this both here, cut this one. So now we need to remove this whole thing to put the new boot, this one. So we can hammer this side so that the spline will take it up the whole bearing. I just clamp here so that I can hammer here beside, if you don't have a bench press. Hammer this side. Now it's up, ready to put the boot. Now it's up, ready to put a new boot here, and all good.